Have you been disappointed with a selection of driveway installation services in the Deeside and Flintshire areas? Looking for a business that knows how to get it done the right way, on time and on budget? Your search has ended with JP Driveways. With over a decade of experience to our credit, our multi-skilled team are specialists in driveway installations, including block paving, resin-bound, tarmac, as well as services such as artificial lawn installations for a beautiful green garden year-round, and with no maintenance required. So why are we the driveway installation company you should trust? Based in Deeside, JP Driveways serves customers in the surrounding areas, including the Wirral, Chester and Flintshire, and we've received a 10 out of 10 customer satisfaction rating from clients with many reviews online. The bottom line? You can be sure you're in good hands. JP Driveways offers a range of driveway and surfacing work for both residential and commercial applications, including block paving, tarmac, resin-bound, patterned imprint concrete, patios and decking, as well as garden and boundary walls. Specialising in resin-bound driveways for an ultra-modern look, our expert technicians bring with them the knowledge and experience that encompasses all types of surfacing and preparatory work, ensuring you get a highly professional finish, all completed efficiently and, as we said before, on time and on budget. Have a block paving or resin-bound driveway installation project you don't want to trust just to anyone? JP Driveways has you covered. Looking for a cost-effective and low-maintenance garden that's green all year round with a professionally installed artificial lawn? Again, we have you covered. As specialists, you can be sure you're dealing with a reputable company who'll advise you of the correct procedures to get the look you're after. Discover for yourself why JP Driveways is so highly rated online, recognised not only for our driveway services with high quality service, by visiting our website, following us on social media, or giving our friendly team a call.